Hey everybody, I am back finally. I got all moved. I'm in my new digs, so you'll forgive me if I take a little while to find things because I'm still situating all my stuff. Today, I know we tried the Kiara Sky Jelly Tips, so I got the Born Pretty gel extension kit because they're way more affordable, so I figured we'd give them a shot. And my nails are absolutely mangled from working on the house and painting and moving and blah blah blah, so I figured I would try these out to give them a chance to grow out a little bit before I try to put acrylic on them. So here's what came in the kit. By the way, my nails are already prepped, dehydrated, and primed. I think I got all the paint off, but they are just mangled. So last time my nails looked great when I took these off, so hopefully it'll help out this time. Let them kind of replenish. Okay, so we got a little file, a little teeny one. Ooh, we got some French tip stickers, which by the way, these are super handy if you're like me and can't paint very well. Okay, we got a manual for the light, which, you know, that's pretty self-explanatory. Oh, this looks a lot like the Beatles one, which I have the Beatles kit. We're gonna do that next. Let's see. Okay, well, we can work with this. It's not as short as the other one, so we can work with that. Let's get her hooked up. I love these little lamps. They're adorable, and I just love them. All right, what else do we have? All right, so we have our 6-in-1 nail glue, which is like the builder gel stuff, you know, the curable glue. Okay, so it also, where did it go? Where did it go? It came with something else, and I don't know what I did with it. Oh, here it is. Okay. It also came with a little jar of red chrome rub-on powder, which, oh my god, this stuff is, it's hard to see, but it's so pretty. Which I think I'm going to use for these two. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But I kind of want to do just a nude because I'm going to be beating the crap out of these things. Okay, so I did notice that it didn't come with like different sizes. It came with sets. Like, well, these are just some half cover tips, which were like bonuses. But as far as the full cover ones, it came with all the different sizes in one bag. So like 2 of each size. So you could just use one bag at a time instead of going through all of them for different sizes. Ooh, these are the extra long C-curve half covers. Let's separate those out. These are more of the full covers. Half cover coffin tips, nice. Those are, ooh, and these are the square French half cover tips, nice. Also, this can be used to put on tips or half cover tips. So we got some regular size, so there's a big size difference in these. We got some regular coffin and some XXL coffin. Some super extendo. These are some more of the half cover French. Ooh, wow. Oh, I like those. These are the C-curve half cover super duper long tips. I like those. And another set of the short coffin. So I think, I don't know, do I want to go short or long? Short or long? It's been a while. Let's go short. I kind of like this. Instead of having 20 different bags to open, you just do the one. So let me get this stuff all set up and we'll be right back. All right, so we scratched it. I fitted the tips to my nails. We scratched up the insides to help them stick a little better. Now, remember, I'm gonna do this the same way I did the Kiara Sky ones, and that is apply a coat of this to my nails, cure it, and then apply it to the insides of the tips and cure it on. That's how we're gonna do this. So we're just gonna speed through this real quick. All right, so dude, the move was horrible. Let me just say, this comes with a massive bottle of glue. Like, it's a pretty good size. I'm going to start with my left because that is the hardest. You just want to put a good amount of glue on the inside of these. Like, enough to completely cover the nail. You don't want any bubbles. You don't want any blank spots. And then we are going to blend them when we are done curing them on. Same as the other ones. All right, and you want to leave like the dust from the file and stuff because it does help it adhere. I know that sounds weird, but it does. Same thing with that stupid plastic practice hand. All right, so first you want to get it on there flush and straight and make sure that the glue is pressed down with no bubbles and no blank spots, and if there are, go back and add more glue. I have a dip in my nail, which we are going to ignore. And then we are going to turn this on. There we go. Press it down. Make sure you keep it pressed down. Flash it for a second, and then you can let it go and let it finish hardening, curing. I always say drying. I don't know why. It's clearly not drying. All right, that's mostly straight. My thumb's crooked. I swear my thumb is crooked. All right, so we got it most of the way on there because I am going to put my hand in the big lamp when I'm done anyway, just to make sure it's fully cured. All right, and I realized that I was out of frame. Turn off, go away. Realized I was out of frame when I put the glue on, so you just want a good amount. Blob it on there. There we go. And you want to make sure it's about the size of your nail bed. We will bring my lamp over, go ahead and get that bad boy started so that it's ready to go when I am. All right, so we are gonna press that down, make sure that it's straight. You can see there aren't any bubbles, and same thing. I keep knocking that glue over. When you look at it, it will have kind of filled in your nail bed for you. And it kind of extends out. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and do the rest of these and then paint them. Those are narrow, I like those. They're narrow with a little curve. That's kinda, I like that. All right, we got them all on. Now we are gonna blend the backs of these and file them down before I polish them. And basically for blending, all that we're doing is filing off that back edge so that we don't have a little ridge back there and blending it in with our natural nail, with our nail bed. That's it. Or if you got any glue on the sides, whatever. Also, this week I am going to be doing a video on this acrylic that I found on TikTok, this company, which I kept seeing come across my FYP, and I thought, what the hell, I'll give them a shot. And I got like 2 cover colors and their monomer because, you know, they made some big claims about their monomer. So I ordered it just to try it out. So anyway, I figured I'd try it out. I got the monomer and I got 2 of their cover colors, and I'm never buying from anywhere else ever again. When I tell you that this is the smoothest acrylic I've ever bought and the least offensive monomer I've ever bought, I am not lying. And I've been through a lot of them, and I don't know how they do it, but this stuff is like pudding. It lays so nice. I've been using it on everything. Everybody's getting cover colors. Don't ask me for colored acrylic. You're getting this. I plan on ordering all of their covers next week and a gallon of the monomer because I'll not be buying through anyone else ever. It's amazing. Anyway, I'm going to do a video and show you guys. But all right, so I am going to file these bad boys down a little, just a little bit, because they are pretty. I'm just going to even out the edges. I think I'm going to leave them long. It's been a while, right? My last couple sets have been pretty short. It's time to be a bad bitch again. I mean, I'm still going to be working on my house and stuff, but I'm done. After this move was just, I'm done. No more. My 300-pound marble work table got broken, so I had to like rebuild the base so I could still use my marble slab. Hello, Charlie. Charlie came to visit. It's just been a mess, and now I am in the lower level of the house, so lots of noises. All right, so they feel pretty solid. I am going to polish these, and at the end I'm gonna give you a 1-week update. So I'll be back in like a week to let you know how they did, but we'll see. I'm gonna polish these and be right back though, so you can see how they look all the way done. All right, y'all, finished product. I love it. Look at the apex on them bad boys. I mean, they look like acrylics. I don't hate them. And it's a quick fix and I love it. So I will be back in a few days to let you know how they held up. All right, guys, this is after 4 days. I had to cut them down a little bit because I was doing hair, as you can tell from the hair dye. But so far, so good.